catch you something?
Yeah, Granddaddy got you that snake,
What
Janie.
did Granddaddy catch you?
Sorry, Charlie.
Sorry, Charlie.
Sorry, Charlie. Sorry, Charlie. Sorry, Charlie. Sorry, Charlie. I don't think it's a snake. It has.
Yeah.
It has snake.
Granddaddy caught you a snake.
Granddaddy caught 2 of them.
Gotta be
Yeah.
careful, Noodle.
I let the biggest one. No, don't squeeze his neck. You gotta let him roll a little bit.
Look,
Oh,
loosen up,
Careful.
Janie.
He's trying to not let go of his head.
Yeah, I know. Twist his poor neck.
No, she's.
Let me hold him. Let me hold him. Let go, let go, let go.
Tell her you're gonna
just
give it
let
back
go.
to her.
Just let go. Just a second. I'm gonna give it back to you. Just a minute. Just a minute. Granddaddy gotta check him out. Don't be crying. It's
She's
okay.
okay with it. She really is.
It's okay.
She's another little Darien.
It's okay, but you gotta be careful with it.
She
You
knows.
can't let it. You see how I'm letting it go? You don't have to hold him. He's gonna wrap around you.
He's shiny.
You gotta let the snake roll.
Yeah.
You can't try to hold it.
What you got?
It's okay, snake.
Yeah,
She ain't hurting it.
you don't know that. Them things are very tender in that area.
Be careful. I'm a snake.
That's why a lot of times when we get snakes from other people, they die.
It's a panum snake. It's a panum snake.
Baby, it doesn't have 4 legs.